I will make video about cryptocurrencies. If you interested in cryptocurrencies, you can just help me like and also subscribe. Don't forget to also turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the latest updates about crypto. Bitcoin chart. And before start, what I need to remind you, we are already December 24th. Tomorrow Christmas, most likely, especially tomorrow is Sunday, and Christmas. Who wants to see the market? Besides maybe market makers, who might want to brainwash people who are still over-leveraged. So, for those of you who are traders, make sure that even if you want to trade in a situation like this, you have to be aware there must be a lot of manipulation going on, and the volume will definitely be small according to ISO. For those of you who really don't like trading on the ways side range like this, I suggest maybe take a break first. Take a vacation first, because chances are we won't see passive movements. Maybe until later that date, 28 or 29, or even in New Year later 2023. But for the time being, in terms of price action, there have been no changes that I can describe as still the same as what I explained yesterday. As long as we are able to maintain above the area that I highlighted here, I can still see Bitcoin dropping back to the full 17,000 area. Should try one more time to push up, maybe break a bit above the last high here. Once again, I still feel that everything that has happened here is just consolidation after being impulsive here. The only question is where the correction will stop. Are we going to stop at 0.382? Or 0.5? Or 0.618? Okay, maybe we can also later, with the trend line that will be created, maybe we will form two wave. And later of course there will be a trend line here. This will help where we can become three wave. Maybe heading back to the golden pocket before we finally break down. Trading here, which might be used as an opportunity for a short setup, or for example, we are approaching a fairly significant area horizontally. If we look at for source, then from around the 17,200 area there will be a possibility of profit with major resistance. Then around 17,300 to the same area range here is enough to make sense. Maybe if you are hobby, for example, looking for opportunities to go short, and I think you also need the point of further confirmation, maybe by looking. Say there is a pattern like a rising watch. For example, there is a double top or triple top. For example, before we finally drop. So maybe you can take advantage of that. But if you are of the conservative type, maybe you should wait for him to drop from trading here, then consolidate, and from there you just look for setups to go short. Okay, once again, we can't advertise above 18,500 for me. Everything that happened here is just a retest line, and we will probably return at least to the reality of the last low area of 15,600, or even we can break down again. The next target, of course, is around the area of 14,000 or 12,000 is the area of the range that I think will profit some majors. For today's video, I hope this is useful for all of you. Thank you for watching. Until it's finished, see you in the next video. Bye. Happy weekend.